I have some worries about it's missing broader context.
This is where the concerns come from. I suppose this is where the fears come from as an accountant or a bookkeeper. So on the one hand, or the one side of the coin, it's like amazing. Like this is going to add so much efficiency for us potentially. And we'll talk about more of those efficiencies in a second with Practice Hub and work papers and things. But also for our clients, like it's going to really help them make their data cleaner.
Yeah.
But then if you're trying to use analysis and you've got shit data and it hasn't been allocated, and it's messy.
Yeah.
And even if AI is allocating it for you, because that was one of the big announcements, it's going to
auto-reconcile.
Auto-reconcile. But you've now got to review it. That doesn't just mean it's done.
Yeah.
It actually could be even trickier because now you're going to find the mistakes.
Yeah.
And those mistakes could potentially be costly as well. So the fear from an accountant or bookkeeper is that business owners see this and they go, I don't need an accountant or bookkeeper anymore.
Yeah.
Because the AI is doing it.
Yep.
Or if I'm going to have an accountant or a bookkeeper, they shouldn't cost much.
Yep.
Because the AI is doing all the dirty work for them.
Correct.
I would argue maybe to some degree that's where we're heading with simple things.
Yep.
But also, there's a lot more cross-checking and data tidying and verification that's going to need to happen.
Yeah, exactly. And so I do think we are heading down some type of route like this. We were doing a media sort of product review, and they were showing jacks, and they were jacksing it, and I had a bad joke. I wasn't gonna, anyway. They were showing all the jack stuff, and they did the same van example, and everyone's asking us questions, and we kind of asked, well, what's the future here? Will the business owner be able to say, hey, Jax, can you lodge my BAS form? And they high-pitched laugh.
Very nervous laugh.
And anyway, change subjects.
No.
Yeah.
Who
said that?
They looked at each other.
Yeah. Who told you that? Yeah.
No. They called security over.
Yeah.
Took you aside.
That guy.
This guy is out.
Yeah. So clearly that's where it's going to go. But if you think about it, there is no difference between that and hitting lodge right now. It's not hard to hit lodge in your BAS. Everyone can lodge a BAS. It takes 5 seconds.
Exactly.
The detail, like the actual
I guess it's
value,
false confidence. That's what we're worried about.
That's what we're worried
false
about.
Confidence and undervaluing or lowering the perceived value of the accounting and bookkeeping industry. Yeah. So
and
that's the fear.
It is a fear, and
the apprehension, I believe, was the word we used.
Yeah. Comprehension. Yeah, and I think where I think it's probably going to go is our scope will just grow. We're going to still be valuable, but there's more we can do.
Yeah.
Like if you're a bookkeeper, your job probably won't just be reconciling everything. Instead, it might be managing payroll and payments and accounts receivable and coordinating paperwork and
more comprehensive.
It's more comprehensive back office sort of service.
Yeah.
Which is probably more valuable anyway.
Yeah. Yep. Definitely higher value in that.
Yeah. So I think
these tools are making it more possible than ever before. But it could be a bit of a transformation.
Yeah.
That we have to go through as businesses. Yeah. It's change. It means change.
Yeah. And
change is coming.
Personally love change. That's sarcasm for all those listening.
I can tell you, this man does not like change.
No, if I could be a hobbit in Bag End, I would be. Yeah.